going to be making slime. So if you guys don't have slime, then make sure you guys try to find this picture. I sent it in the link description below to find all this stuff to make slime. And we're going to find out what things it has inside. First we have these cups to put the slime in. And then next we have these and then we have these other cups to measure this, to put all this stuff in. Measure it. Then we have these cute Play-Doh stuff that is supposed to use for the slime. And then we have this clay that's going to turn it into slime. And then we have some foam cubes. And then some snow powder. And then we have some scents to let it smell nice. Ooh, it smells nice. Ooh, there are different flavors. The first flavor that we have is strawberry because it's red. But I thought it was raspberry. And then we have some vanilla, my favorite. I thought it was banana. But it's vanilla because it's white. It's not yellow. Look. So it smells really good. And then we have some bubble gum. Some blue bubble gum. Let's smell this one. Ooh, it's just like bubble gum. And then we have some candy. Ooh, I'm gonna definitely add this one because I love candy. You guys know that. We have this color, and then we have these. The colors that are gonna make it the white slime into color slime. Here's some pink. Pink smells good, just like the normal pink one. I think this one. And then we have some white. And I don't know why they got even white because we already have white slime. It's always gonna be white. Some light purple. And then we have some normal blue. And then we have these cute and then we have these decorations. We have this cute confetti blue stuff. We have this order bead decoration. Then we have this another confetti stuff. It's pink. And then we have another confetti stuff. That's purple. And then we have this cute order bead stuff. And they're pretty much hard, so they're not really Orbeez. And then we have these foam balls, and we have pink, white, blue, and purple. Good. And then we have this activator that's pretty much some salt stuff. Borax. That's usually the activator for it. And then we have glue, the one that's going to make the slime extra slimy. So let's get started and add some cold water. And I'm going to add the water in this. This is going to make an activator. Cool. Now, step one right over here is to mix this up. I'm going to mix this up. Oh, and then extra gently. Oh no, that's opening. Yeah. Close it up extra and shake it. Whoa! Look at that! Look at the activator. I thought this powder was the activator. I don't know. We had to add water. And now we're gonna change the top with a dropper. Look at that long slime. I mean activator. Sorry. We're gonna add this on top. Add the glue 30 ml to the slime. The slime. Like we have to make it up till it's one more step than 20. Okay guys, now that we added the glue 30 ml, we are going to add the activator. One. And then we're going to mix it up with this tiny spoon. Look at that. A bit more, that's enough. And we're gonna make tiny little slimes. Whoa, it's already starting to stick everywhere. To make it a cloudy slime, now we're gonna add the snow water. But we're not gonna add it to the slime yet. First, we're gonna add it to the water. Oh. And then we're gonna mix it up with this. That's kind of gonna be hard. I was ready, and I added some on the plate. So we're gonna mix it up. like a cloud, you guys. Now this is a cloud slime. We're gonna make it into a ball like a cloud. We're gonna add in this ball. Cloud slime is ready. Guys, now we're gonna add the glue to this to make our other slime. Okay, we're gonna add only 30 ml. The next step is to add water, rock water. Well, that's a crazy slime. Hey guys, now which color of footballs do you guys add? You guys comment down below which color you guys add. Add some blue. Because this one is going to be for my mother. Wow. Look at that slime. On this tray again. And mix it up. Whoa. This is probably the slippiest slime of ever. Oh my god. It's so slippery. Get the foam balls on. That's why we added them. Okay, now we're going to add some purple balls. Now we're gonna mix it up one more time. Look at that. Look at that, so wobbly, so slippery. That one was really cloudy, but this is the slippery. Guys, if you guys are doing this, make sure you guys do not use, before you do this, you guys wear gloves because this is so sticky. Okay. Now that I'm done doing this, it's so sticky. Okay, now that we're done with these two, I'm going to go to the bathroom to wipe my hands, and then I'll be back. Wash my hands, and then I wear these clothes so I don't get that much sticky. And now I'm going to add 1 drop of this to this. Good job. That's enough. That's 2 drops. Okay, now we're gonna add some color. Okay, let's add the purple. This. Now, we're gonna add some scent. Okay, up one more time. With the purple. That's enough. Whoa, that's a lot of slime. We're gonna mix it all up. Whoa, look at that. This is probably the best kind I've made. These two aren't that good. This is probably the best kind because it has color. The color one. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna mix it all up. Whoa, yep, I was right. This is the best one. Boom. And now I'm gonna mix it and knead it. Enough of slime. Now we're gonna make some clay. Whoa. This is enough for once. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm gonna add one of my colors. First, I'm gonna make some blue. That's enough. Put a few more. That's enough. Now we're gonna bubble gum scent. Eat it. Gonna mix it all up. This is probably like this is really cool slime. Honestly guys, this is really cool slime. This is the best. I'm about to say this is the best. I'm gonna add a little purple beads. some purple beads and some purple glitter. I have to add a lot of stuff to this. Okay, this is the best slime I've made out of all of these. After when you guys make this slime, make sure to wash your hands. Because this slime is the bad slime. Then do it in a little box. Guys, now that I'm done with my 4 slimes, I'm going to tell you guys which ones I made. First, I made a cloud slime that has 1 old bead inside because 1 foam bead that got in there. And then we have some clear slime with some blue and purple foam balls. And then we have this sticky purple slime with purple glitter. And then the last one that we have is some blue clay with some blue and purple and foam balls like this. Then more color. Okay guys, now that I'm ready with my slime, you guys can also try this at home. Make sure you subscribe, give a like that up, and smash the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video with all 6 of my slimes. I could make more.